You're good.
Alright, so now I'm going to teach you guys how to do starts and stops and pull hits. So for starts and stops, you just do 4 hand spins, and then you're going to stop the gun. And it's different than when we traditionally stop the gun like this. So when you're doing right hand spins, your left hand comes up and hits the butt, and your bottom hand comes down and hits in between the swivel and the bolt. So your angle should look like this. The next place we're going to catch it is right here. So you go from here, pull up with your right hand and let your left hand act as a hinge. 2, 3, 4, and catch. With your top hand on the butt, and your bottom hand in between the swivel and the bolt. And then from there we catch here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and hit. 6, 7, 8. When you're doing it, you should try to line your finger up with the bottom of the butt of the rifle. Yep. And your hand stays in between the swivel and the bolt. Alright, so we're going to lift with our right hand and hinge with our left. 2, 3, 4, and catch. Same place, except your hand is kind of on the swivel this time. And then for the next one, we're going to end here to go into lefts. So you go from your right hand spin, or from your right flat, this weird awkward thing. You lift up with your left, but with your right, you do 4 spins, 3, 4, and stop.
Geese.
There were geese. Okay, you stop traditionally, but you stop tilted. So it's the same hand placement as regular hand spins, but you stop in a dip. So what it's going to look like is you start here, lift, oh gosh, no. Lift up, down, 2, 3, 4, and catch in a dip. And this dip gets you ready to do left ones, yay! So for left, it's the same placement, but this time your hand is going to, well, the tip of the rifle is going to be up. So it'll look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and catch. You should catch on the top swivel and on the neck of the gun. The neck is the skinny part in between the bolt and the butt. So you should catch right here with the strap like that. And then you're going to lift with your left hand and hinge with your right to get back into left hand spins. Boop. And catch here. When you catch here, it should be in between the swivel and the butt and kind of on the swivel. Cool. 2, 3, 4, and catch over here. Hand on the swivel, hand on the swivel. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and flat. 6, 7, 8. So this is how you catch it flat, and then you're just going to lift up, just like you've been doing, but then you just catch straight out in a right flat. Cool, okay, so after we learn how to do, that, we're going to learn how to do pull hits. You just stop that.